Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be doing a stick weld for you. It's pretty easy. I mean, you got to practice to get good at it, of course. I'm not saying I'm great at it. Still learning. But I'm going to talk about it like a couple of the basics that you need to know. So for safety, you're going to need your helmet, right? Shade 10 is the minimum. Okay, I got automatic settings in this helmet. Okay, so you set it on the 10 shade, you'll be good to go there. Make sure you got your safety glasses. For the UV, for like the UV protection, you can wear a pair of sleeves like these. Okay, you can wear like a jacket that I'm wearing right now. You can also wear sunblock too. That helps too. I got gloves. You need gloves. Okay. Make sure you're wearing pants, preferably, so you don't burn your legs up. Nice set of shoes or boots, so you don't have sparks or slag or anything going inside on your foot. Today, I got two rods to show you guys. One of them is a 6011. Okay, you're not going to be able to read it. I got a 6011 and a 6013. Okay, 6011, 60 means the tensile strength of the rod you're using. The third number is the position you can weld in, and the fourth number is the flux that's on the rod. Okay, so with this 6011 and 6013, I can weld in all positions with it. That's what the 1 means. If you had a 2, you could weld in flat or horizontal fillet welds. 3 is special applications. All right. With that being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and weld a few of these, and I'm going to show you guys what comes out of it. All right. By the way, what I forgot to mention, when you're welding, you want to make sure you clean your metal up real good. If you have heavy rust or anything like that, you can go ahead and grind it down back to where you get your shiny metal. If you got any like type of light rust or anything like that, you can clean it off. I did a piece here, so clean it up nice and good so it shines. Okay, I did it on both sides, so I can pick whatever side I want to weld on. All right, so let's get to it. What I just changed right here is the amperage setting. So I'm going to be going 120. That is the recommended setting on the 6013 that I'm going to be using. All right. They have charts and stuff like that you can read. The 6013th is a 1/8 diameter. So that's what is recommended. 120, between 120 and like 135, right? This right here is the hammer I'm going to be using. All right. It's the chip off flux and stuff like that. You give it a nice tap and it should come off pretty easily. With a 6013, it has a thick flux to it, so it'll chip off pretty easily. All right. This right here is the weld that I came up with. You guys can't really tell in fine detail what that is. Alright, so what you're looking for when you're welding, you're looking for like the consistency and stuff like that. You want to be changing speed. You want to make sure you have a nice size weld, not too fat, not too skinny. Make sure you make penetration. You're looking for a lot of stuff, and that's going into a lot of detail. Alright, so there's pretty much the basics when it comes to stick welding. I hope this was informational for you guys. You guys have a good day.